Hello everyone, welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 1209 named Removed All Adjacent Duplicates in String 2. In this problem, you are given a string S and integer k. Now, k duplicate removal consists of choosing k adjacents and equal letters from S and removing them, causing the left and the right side of the deleted substring to be concatenated together. Now, we repetitively make k duplicate removals on the given string until we longer can. And after that, we have to return the final string after all such duplicate removal and have been made. It is guaranteed that the answer is always unique. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's understand the algorithm by using an example. Now here we have taken these examples. This is our given string and the value of k is 3. That means no consecutive 3 element should be equal. So here in the given string, we have seen that these 3e are equal, these 3c are equal. So if we remove this e and this c, we have seen that the given string has 3b which are consecutive, which is this, and this. Now, we have to remove these 3b's as well, as they are consecutive. Now, we have seen that 3 of the d are consecutive. One is this, another is this, and another is this. So, we have to remove these 3d as well. Now, we have seen that if we remove all of the consecutive 3 equal elements, the string will become AA and XX. So this is our desired output. Now the question is, how can we do it? We are using a stack data structure to solve this problem. We have to iterate each of the element from left to right. Now, what kind of value we will store in the stack? Suppose this is our stack. Now, we are using the pair in the stack because for each of the element in the stack, we will store the character as well as the recent frequency. Now, suppose we are at this element D. So D will be stored D1. Now, it is next element is E. So here E1 is stored. Now, for this second D, we will check whether the top element of the stack has the E or not. Yes, it has the E. That means we have 2 consecutive E till now. So we have to upgrade the second value of the top element of the stack. Now, for this third E, as the top element of the stack is also E, so we have to upgrade our frequency, which is 3. Now wait, we have to check whether the frequency of the stack is equal to the k or not, or the frequency of the top element of the stack is equal to the k or not. Yes, both of them are equal. That means we have found 3e in a consecutive way. So we have to remove the top element of the stack. So here we are removing all of the entries for E. Now here we are at this element D. Now as D is the top element of the stack, so we have to upgrade the frequency. So here the frequency will become 2. Now we are at this element B. So the top element of the stack is not B. So the frequency of B will be 1. Similarly here for this second B, the frequency of B will be 2. Now similarly for this C, the frequency of C will be 1. For this second C, the frequency of C will be 2. For this third C, as this is equal to the top element, the frequency will become 3. But wait, this 3 is exactly equal to the value of K. So here we have to again remove the top element of the stack. Now we are at this element B. So we have to check whether the top element of the stack is B or not. Yes, it is. So we have to upgrade the frequency from 2 to 3. But wait, again, this value is exactly equal to the K. So we have to remove the top element of the stack. Now we are at this element D. So we have to check whether the top element of the stack is D or not. Yes, it is. That means here we have to upgrade the value of 2 from 3. So here the value 3 is exactly equal to K. So we have to remove the corresponding entry from the stack. Now for this element A, we will store the value A1. For this element A, we will store the or upgrade the frequency of A, which is 2. For this element X, we will add the value X, which is 1. For this element X, the value 1 will be upgraded into 2. So here we have seen that the top element of the stack is X and 2. That means we have 2 consecutive X, and the next element is A and 2. So here the answer will be, first we have to add 2 of the X, then we have to add 2 of the A, and if we reverse it, then the answer will become AAXX, which is exactly equal to this substring. Now, the overall time complexity of this problem is big O of n because we have to iterate each of the element, and the overall space complexity is also big O of n because in the worst case, the size of the stack can be equal to the size of the input string. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named remove duplicates, which has a string and the integer value as the parameter. Now we are taking a step of pairs and initially result string. Now we have to iterate each of the character of the input string, and we have to check whether the first element of the top element of the stack is equal to the current character or not. If it is, that means we have to upgrade the frequency. Otherwise, we have to insert the current element with the frequency of 1 into the stack. Now again, we have to check whether the frequency is exactly equal to K or not. Yes, it is. In those kind of cases, we have to remove the top element of the stack. Now here, for each of the entry in the stack, we have to add the corresponding character according to the frequency with the result. After that, we have to reverse the result and return it. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching this video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.